FYI, all Little Alchemy 2 cheats and combinations. Here are some useful cheats and combinations for Little Alchemy 2. Fire, combine stone and wood, lightning and wood, fire and wood, lava and wood, water, combine rain and air, water and lake, water and sea, earth, combine sand and water, stone and lava, mountain and stone, metal, combine stone and lava, metal and fire / electricity, life and animals, combine water and earth, fire and air, earth and air, electricity, combine metal and lightning, fire and air. Human, combine life and clay, water and fire, earth and life. Plant, combine earth and water, earth and rain, plant and human. For mythical creatures, try unicorn, combine horse plus horn, dragon, combine dinosaur plus fire, phoenix, combine fire plus bird. The key is to experiment with all the element combinations. Discover new things by combining basic elements. Start simple, then keep building up to more complex items. Reference the catalog for ideas. With over 700 items, the alchemy combinations are endless.